Want to create professional email campaigns, grow your audience, and automate your marketing with ease? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you exactly how to use Constant Contact. We will cover everything from setting up your account and building email lists to creating beautiful campaigns, automation, landing pages, and tracking results like a pro. By the end of this video, we promise that you'll know how to use Constant Contact to grow your business, connect with customers, and increase engagement without needing any technical skills, even if you are a complete beginner. So if that sounds good, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So, let's begin. Constant Contact is an email marketing and digital marketing platform designed to help businesses connect with customers. It was created mainly for small businesses, nonprofits, entrepreneurs, and online creators who want an easy way to send emails, promote products, and manage customer relationships. Instead of you manually sending emails one by one, Constant Contact allows users to create professional email campaigns, automate messages, and track results from a single dashboard. One of the many great things about Constant Contact is that it offers several features that you can fully utilize depending on your needs and goals. Of course, you have the digital marketing section and the tools section. The email marketing lets you create and send emails to customers, subscribers, or leads to promote products, updates, or newsletters. All the while, the email templates are ready-made email designs that you can fully customize quickly without needing design skills. And of course, you have the SMS marketing. With this, you can send promotional text messages, reminders, and updates directly to customers' phone. And then you have the social media marketing. It helps you to create and schedule and manage posts for platforms like Facebook and Instagram from one place. And then you have the e-commerce. It can help you connect online stores to promote products, recover abandoned carts, and track sales. And then you have the event marketing. You can manage event invitations, registrations, ticketing, and follow-up emails. And then you have the tools, and with the tools, you have the AI, which uses artificial intelligence to help write emails, content, generate subject lines, and improve campaigns. With that, you have the automation. With the automation, you can automatically send emails or text based on customer actions, schedules, or even workflows. And then you have the integration. It lets you connect with other tools like Shopify, WordPress, Canva, and CRM platforms. And then you have the list building tools, which really I like here in Constant Contact because with this, it helps you connect and collect and organize contact using sign up forms, landing pages, and lead capture tools. And then finally, we have the reporting. This tool alone helps you track campaigns' performance with metrics like opens, clicks, sales, and engagement. Now, choosing the right plan starts with understanding your needs and goals. This helps ensure that your expectations align with the features and options available to you. At Constant Contact, there are several plans designed to support different business needs. Of course, you can start with the Light Plan, which is ideal for beginners who want to start marketing with award-winning email and social media tools. Of course, you have the Standard, which is really great for most business looking to grow faster with powerful automated marketing tools. The Premium Plan is perfect for professionals who need advanced automation, segmentation, and industry-leading marketing features. And the Teams is really best for businesses with multiple locations that want to maximize marketing impact across teams, all from a single platform. By identifying what you want to achieve, whether it's building brand awareness, automating campaigns, or managing multiple teams, you can confidently choose the right plan that best fits your business and your goals, and of course, your budget. But the good thing is, you can simply click the Get 14 Days Free at the top right corner because this will forward you to a new page. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. All I have to do is super simple, provide all the information needed, and follow the on-screen instructions. Constant Contact is going to ask you a series of questions based on your answers. The information collected will be used to tailor a personalized experience for you. It also improves the platform's backend systems and overall user experience. Now, thing is, Constant Contact will ask you, what are your main goals? It's up to you. You can attract new customers, keep people informed, run events, increase engagement, or promote what you offer, or collect donations. In our case, I'm choosing the promote what you offer because I am creating a video walkthrough of Constant Contact in our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications. Click the continue button. Whatever you choose, it's okay. There is no right and wrong answer. Now from here, you need to enter your address and provide all the information needed. Now, even though Estimate helps personalize recommendations to grow your audience, you can simply choose from any of the following. If you don't have any email contacts, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. Again, there is no right and wrong answer. Constant Contact is here to help you out. Just click that continue button for now and add a website for branded templates. If you have a specific website that you wanted to add here, you can do so. But if you're just planning to create a website, you can do that later. It's okay. And then what will happen is you see that you need to explore the full gallery anytime. Just pick a basic template for your first email. Click the continue button. All right. Now just click the continue button. And just like that, you will be forwarded to the main platform of Constant Contact. As you may notice, it's very clean, it's straightforward, yet it's functional. Do not be overwhelmed because in the left side panel of the interface, we are going to discuss all of them one by one so you can start your journey using Constant Contact. These are multiple tabs, and let's begin with the dashboard. This is your home screen. It gives you a quick overview of your account performance, recent email results, contact growth, campaign activity, and shortcuts to common actions. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. After that is going to be the campaigns. This is where you create and manage marketing campaigns. A campaign can be an email blast, a social post, or a multi-step marketing sequence. You can also track how each campaign performs here by creating your first campaign. Click the blue button and you need to choose from any of the following. Let's say you're gonna build a marketing plan, a social post, and monitoring, an automation, which is a new feature here in Constant Contact. We will deal with this later. Survey pages. For now, let's say we are going to create an event campaign. And then what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. You need to provide all of the information in the campaign editor. Of course, for the campaign name, we're going to change it into this. And then you can choose your image. And if you want to add your own logo, brand, or image, you can do that. You can choose from your library. You can drag and drop, or an image URL, insert the image URL, or if you want, you can also go to your Canva designs. Now, I'm gonna connect my Canva here. And just like that, we have connected our Canva account. It's super simple. Now, when you choose the image, you can go to your Canva and then click the Create in Canva. This will give you quick access to your Canva designs without any problem. Now here, all I have to do is drag and drop all the information that you want. For example, this is for a Constant Contact full tutorial. I can drag and drop the image if I want. And when it's done, I'm gonna go and return to Constant Contact so you can seamlessly sync any changes you've made to the original design in Constant Contact and return to the platform. It's super simple. I've been using Constant Contact and of course Canva here, and all I have to do now is go to the choose image. And just like that, we have the image here. I'm gonna click the insert button and then there you have it. Super amazing, right? It's super simple. Now, that's for the event basics. After that, you need to select the event type. Is it going to be like action, arts and craft, birthday, class, workshop, a conference, or competition? It's up to you. For example, let's say it's going to be like other. Okay, its location is virtual. You can choose the event URL if you want. For example, www.event.com. Let's say .com. Right. Enter a valid URL. You want to make sure you enter a full valid URL. Let's say we have this specific URL. Okay. You need to choose the date and time. For example, May 30th at exactly maybe 6 p.m. And then end time is going to be 9 p.m. And then display date and close registration automatically. I don't want to deal with that. If you want to put your full name here, you can do so. All right. Do not display anything here for a phone number and click the continue button. After that, you're going to be forwarded with an option if you want to continue without tickets. And if you want to create a ticket, you can do that as well. It's a simple option. I'm going to go here. Prices around here. Unlimited availability and limit per order is around here. You can set a ticket sale date range if you want. Display remaining tickets on checkout. It's up to you if you wanted to have more control over your event. Save and close. After that is the form setup. Click the continue button for now. Here, for the form setup, if you want to create an add form element, you can do that. For example, let's say a custom field, informational text here. Click the confirm button. Once you've done that, we're going to go to the payment section. So you can add a platform fee to registrants, order total checkout, or deduct platform fee. You can also check the event currency if USD, AUD, CAD. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. And for the payment method, you can choose from any of the following: Visa, Amex, Discover, PayPal, and Venmo. Okay. Now all I have to do is, let's say we're going to save and complete. And then after saving and complete, we need to activate that specific event by clicking the activate button. All right. There you have it. Once you have activated the event, we have now successfully created something here that we need to look forward into. Now we are going to the contact section. This is where you store your audience list. You can add, you can import, you can segment and organize contacts based on behavior, tags, or interest. For example, we're going to add a single contact. Okay. Provide the email address. And there you have it. Now we have added another contact here in our constant contact account. Now, you have also the option to upload from a file. If you want to sync it to your Google Sheets, you can do that. You see, there is an option to sync with integrations. But I am going to skip this because this is part of the integrations tab. Later on, we're going to discuss this. But for now, we're going to the channel section. The channel section are the ways you reach your audience. You have the emails wherein you can create and send email newsletters or promotions. If you want to create your own first email that resonates with their contacts and boost your ROI, it's super simple. I want you to click the create an email. What happens is you'll be forwarded to the email builder, which is going to be this one. You can start from blank, which is really ideal if you have already an experience using constant contact, but what I suggest is to use a template instead. You see this, you have multiple options here. Okay, you can select, let's say we're going to choose a basic note. If you want to preview that, it's okay. Just to make sure that this is going to be compelling enough to move forward to. So I believe this is really interesting. I'm going to click the select template, and then what will happen is we'll be forwarded to the editor similar to the campaigns earlier. Now, we're going to save this for a new one, and these are highly customizable. You see this image? If you double click on it, you can use your image here, insert. Since we have connected our Canva, it's seamless if you want to update the images using your designs in Canva. For the images, you see that you have multiple options here. You can go from your Canva, you can add your own image, it's up to you. For the style, you can choose an outer border. For example, let's say I'm going to be choosing something like a blue, You can, of course, choose an inner background. Let's say I'm gonna choose something like maybe this that best reflect our brand and identity. And you can add your text here. For example, our text is gonna be this. The text is also highly customizable. You can choose a different color for your text. Let's say we're gonna choose a white, so it's stand out and it's popping out. Once you're happy, you can have more control. You are not limited with your imagination. You can choose the font, buttons. Now I'm going to click the preview and test to make sure that our email is responsive using the desktop and the mobile view. Just checking the intuitiveness. And you just have to enter a contact's email address to see what this email will look like to them. All right. So after that, we're going to go and click the continue button. And what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. You see that we have successfully created our first email for the channel. And it's now taking an automatic sending. You can send now or schedule for later. It's up to you. You can type in your contacts here and you have the option to edit email. It's up to you. But for now, I am going to save this as a draft so that we can move forward. You need to provide your information here. And then we're going to go back to our main dashboard because we're not yet done. After the channels, we have the emails and social. For the social, this is where you post and manage social media content from the platform. Now, you have three sections here: the post, analytics, and accounts. For the post, you see that you have an option to create a social post. This will give you multiple options. You need to connect your account here, okay? For the account, let's say I'm going to choose my Facebook. And then what will happen is, as you may notice, your account has been successfully connected to Facebook. It's super simple, right? Now with this, you're going to be able to post any social media feed into your Facebook using Constant Contact. Now, if you click the add a profile, you will notice that you can add another one here. Since we have successfully added our Facebook, I'm going to connect my LinkedIn account. And all I have to do is allow LinkedIn to seamlessly connect and integrate with Constant Contact. And there you have it. We have now successfully connected two of our accounts. What we are left is gonna be with the TikTok and Instagram. I don't have account for both, but for now, I'm going to create my first post. I'm gonna use my images using the Canva design, which is gonna be this one. I'm gonna click on it. You see that this is very seamless. You don't have to post one by one manually on different accounts. All I have to do is select all of these. For example, let's say this one and on my LinkedIn. So I will be posting from Facebook to LinkedIn. And all I have to do now is click the continue button. If you want an AI assistant for that, it's okay. You can utilize the AI here in Constant Contact so you don't have to think about it. Now I'm going to pose it not scheduled for later because I want to see how intuitive it is, how seamless you can post here from Constant Contact. Click the post now. We will check to our social profiles. It may take a few minutes to finish. At this point, do not use any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. Now, while waiting, I'm going to switch to my LinkedIn and Facebook account to see if the post was successful. Well, all right, just like that, you have seen I have successfully posted using Constant Contact here in my Facebook account as well as my LinkedIn account. It's super amazing. This is where you can reach your audience with a single click of a button. Now, after that, we're going to head over again to our dashboard. And then, since we have created our email, our social, our events, we are now heading to the landing pages. The landing pages is a build standalone web pages for campaigns or promotions. Now, all I have to do is super simple. You can build relationships, engage on social, and plan and host events. We're going to click the create a landing page. You can choose from a sign up landing page or a custom landing page. Flexible pages you can customize. I'm going to choose the second option so I have more room to edit that. And of course, you need to choose a template. event basic, event information, featured video, stay connected, and a lot more. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Stay in touch, okay? Maybe a featured video. I'm going to preview it just to make sure that this is the template that I wanted. So I believe this is it. I'm going to click the select template, and what will happen is after selecting that, you'll be forwarded to the template builder or the builder editor. Similar to the designs earlier, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to save it so it's a lot easier to work with. And then boom. All I have to do is customize it the way you want it to fit. Background color is going to be something like this one. Or maybe let's stick to white or yellow just to make an accent. Okay. And then if you want to add, let's say, images here, you can do so. And then once you're happy, you click the preview button just to make sure that we have created our first landing page, which is intuitive for both the desktop and the mobile view. Once you're satisfied, I believe this is really good. Click the continue button because we need to activate this specific landing page for our customers. Click the activate button so that it will generate a live URL. Now, what will happen is you'll see that we just successfully made our landing page, okay? The landing page URL. What I'm going to do here, I am going to copy this URL, okay? I am going to go to my website, which is powered by Squarespace. I'm going to click on it. Here in my website, I'm going to add a block. I am going to click the embed and embed that code that I have copied from Constant Contact, and all I have to do is paste it. It's super simple, right? And then once it's done, you see that there is a 3 dots icon on the top right corner. If you click on it, you have the option to preview and then preview on live page, just to make sure that you build a standalone web pages for campaigns or promotions. All right, so once you're happy, go back here and click the share button. Now for the share button, you can share on social. You have multiple options. All right. For the social, you can choose from any of the social profiles you connected. In my case, I have connected my Facebook profile and my LinkedIn account, which is going to be this one. All right. So I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to choose my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to click the option that says continue, and just like that, I have shared my first landing page to my social media platforms. I'm gonna click the post now just to make sure that we have successfully created it, and then there we have it. Now I'm gonna go back again to the main dashboard, and then I'm gonna go to the landing pages again. You see there is the share button on top here. I'm gonna click here. If you click the share, you also have an option to share an email, share with an ad, copy link, and share with a QR code, which is helpful if you wanted to share via mobile devices. All right. And then after that, we're going to go to the sign up forms. Now, after that is going to be the sign up forms. Now, if you click the create a sign up form, you will be given multiple options. You can create a pop-up, a fly out, banner, inline, text to join, sign up landing page. In this case, I am choosing a Facebook lead ads. Since we have already connected my Facebook, why not utilize both accounts? Okay, I'm going to click on it and click the create an account. All right, I'm going to choose again the Facebook lead ads and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, after the sign-up forms, we have the audience. The audience is where you analyze and manage your contacts in more details. Okay, so it includes segmentations, targeting tools, and subscriber behavior. Now, as you can see, we have now our campaigns here. As of the moment, it doesn't have any engagement or reach or creating any traction, but this is essentially a way for you to monitor. All right, so we have with the list and segments. And if you want to create a new segment here, we're going to create our first segment. Click the continue button. So I'm going to choose a first segment, which is all about constant contact, I'm going to create our first criteria, which is going to be about um anniversary. All right, click the save segment. You need to provide more information, as well as if you wanted to create a list, you need to do the same. Okay. Now here, the surveys are here for you to analyze more information about your audience. If you want to create a survey page, you can do that as well. Just to make sure that this is where you can manage your contact in more detail. Since we are creating a new survey from scratch, I'm going to save this as our constant contact full tutorial. So we need to have a targeting tool. You see that all of these are highly customizable. I'm going to add this. I'm going to use my constant contact logo. And for the text here, I'm going to edit this one. Click the activate button. We're going to make sure to provide all the information needed. Expiration date is around May 30th. And save and activate. It's super simple. Now, I'm going to go back again to our main dashboard. I'm going to skip the lead magnet. Instead, I'm going to go to the assets. The assets are essentially the storage areas for reusable content like images, logos, and of course, any files used in campaigns so you don't have to upload them repeatedly. All right? You see that for the brand kit, if you want to import your brand instantly, you need to provide your website. Or if you want to upload your logo, you can do that as well. For example, this one, it's super simple. Now you can reuse this to different campaigns and conversions. Similar to the library where you can store all the information and files. We have now all here. Images and documents, videos, and as well as our Canva designs. So you can always go here if you want to reuse any content like images, logos, and templates. Now, after that is going to be the reporting. The reporting is essentially your analytics hub. It shows your performance metrics like open rates, click-throughs, rates, conversions, and campaign performances. All right. Now, we already created our first email, so we're going to skip all of these. And then we're going to go to the automations. This is where you set up automatic workflows. Like for example, if you want to set up a pre-built automation to welcome new contacts like a welcome email, let's set it up right now. Okay, will be forwarded here. So essentially, this is going to be something like this one. You can, if you don't know any of the following rules and triggers, it's okay to safely skip this. This, if you only have a huge background or knowledge using constant contact or marketing information, because with this you can create a time delay or a conditional split. It's up to you, right? For here you can send an email or a contact actions. It's up to depending on the trigger. All I have to do now is click the activate so we can create our first automation. All right, so you need to verify the email address if you haven't already to create your first workflow. And then last is going to be the integrations. The integrations is where you connect constant contact with other tools. Like for example, earlier we connected our Canva, but for now, I am going to connect my account to Zapier. And of course, by allowing Zapier to constant contact, you're authorizing both systems to seamlessly integrate by creating any automation or workflow. So we have already connected that. I am going to connect my Google Calendar as well. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to connect Google Calendar with Zapier. So essentially, now this trigger happens and choose an action and connect these apps. It's super simple. You don't have to do anything else because Constant Contact is already doing that for you. You see, for the Constant Contact, you need to choose a trigger event, which is going to be a new contact. And for the Constant Contact, you need to sign in with your account. Just click the yes to continue to Constant Contact, and there you have it. Just allow access. All right. And then once it's successful, we have now created our first section. All right. So if you want to continue right here, we need to test the trigger. All right. So as you can see, continue with selected event, and we need to choose the app, which is going to be the Google Calendar. I'm going to choose an event, which is add or creates add attendees to event or create a detailed event. Okay. You need to sign in, of course, to your Google Calendar and allow it. It's super simple, right? Now, once you've done that, all you have to do is publish, and there you go. You have now connected an automatic workflow using Zapier and Constant Contact to your Google Calendar. Now, if you want to connect more systems and third-party softwares, you can do that. You can connect to your Notion, HubSpot, Google Forms. It's up to you. But for now, I'm going to go back to the homepage because as your business grows, the basic tools can start to feel limiting. The premium plans are designed to help you save time, improve customer engagement, and generate better marketing results without adding extra work to your day. Since we are using the free plan for now, if you wanted and feel that Constant Contact is going to be the platform that will boost your engagement and help you with your business needs, you can always upgrade to the Lite plan, which starts at $10.20 per month. The standard is at $29 per month, and the premium is at $68 per month. Remember, if you choose to any of the following premium plans, just use our affiliate link in the video description below. And with that being said, all right, that wraps up our full tutorial on Constant Contact. By now, you should know how to set up your account, build email campaigns, manage your contacts, automate your marketing, and track your results like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions about Constant Contact, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Constant Contact is a solid email marketing platform, especially for beginners, small businesses, creators, and nonprofits that want an easy-to-use solution without a steep learning curve. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.